To mark the 115th running of the iconic Isle of Man TT in 2026, BMW has unveiled a special edition version of its flagship superbike, the M1000RR Isle of Man TT Edition. This exclusive machine will be limited to just 115 examples worldwide, making it one of the rarest versions of the M1000 ever produced. Built on the already formidable M competition spec platform, the TT Edition celebrates BMW's deep connection with the legendary road race through a host of bespoke cosmetic upgrades. The bike wears a striking British racing green uni-matte paint scheme, complemented by graphics inspired directly from the famous mountain course. Left-hand turns from the circuit are mapped across the left fairing, while right-hand bends decorate the opposite side, creating a tribute that fans of the TT will instantly recognize. Further exclusive touches include a matte carbon airbox cover featuring TT branding and mountain course detailing, alongside an Alcantara seat, satin chrome-finished aluminum fuel tank, and black swing arm. Each motorcycle also comes individually numbered via a milled top yoke and is supplied with a certificate of authenticity, reinforcing its collector-focused appeal. Mechanically, the special edition remains unchanged from the standard M1000RR M competition. That means riders still get the ferocious 999cc inline-4 engine, producing 214 bhp, paired with BMW's highly advanced electronics suite. Features such as slide control assist riders both under acceleration and braking. Owners will also receive a range of track-focused accessories as standard, including a rear paddock stand, assembly stand mounts, race cover kit, and a branded mat carrying both M and TT logos. While the upgrades are largely cosmetic, the combination of exclusivity, TT-inspired detailing, and superbike performance ensures the M1000RR TT Edition stands out as a fitting tribute to one of motorcycle racing's most historic events.